Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a PDF file in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account, then go to websites. Now click on, or next to the website you want to add your PDF file on, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and first thing I will do is I will add a new blank section to have free space to work on. Now that I have this space to add your PDF file on your website, it's simple. Just go to elements, then look for this embed code element, drag and drop it where you want to add your PDF file, and after that keep this window open, and then open a new tab and go to drive.google.com. After that, click on new to upload your PDF file first on Google Drive, then embed it on your website. So I will go with file upload. This is my PDF file, double click it. Let's open my PDF file. Now click on these three dots and select and click on open in a new tab. This is an important, or this is a crucial step that you should not skip. Now that your PDF is opened in a new tab, first click on share, then under general access, switch from restricted to anyone with the link. After that, click on done, and then go to file, share, and select get embed link. A new window pops up with double click this code and then to select it all, then copy it like that, go back to hosting your website builder, click on enter code, or click first on this element and click on enter code. Delete this default code like that and paste your PDF file embed code. Click on embed code. Now don't forget to update your website. Now that my website is updated, let's view it live. Scroll down and this is my PDF file. If you want to make this window a little bit bigger, simply select it like that and resize it from here. Now let's update my website again. This time the PDF is a little bit bigger. You can even play with the embed code height and width from here to make your PDF preview file a little bit bigger. Let's go with 1600. Click on embed code, and as you see, you can even adjust the section height from here, then play with the code. I think that's the maximum length I can go with. Let's view my website again, and this is the final result. And this is how to add or embed a PDF file on Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.